Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change switches on the HyperX keyboard in 2026. So most of the HyperX keyboards are not hot swappable, which means that the switches are soldered to the PCB. So first of all, you need to check if your keyboard is hot swappable or not. If it is hot swappable, you can just simply pull the switches out very easily. If not, you will need soldering tools. Now, most of the HyperX keyboards require soldering. So you need to first of all use this type of keycap puller in order to remove the keycaps. Now, this exposes the switches underneath. Now you need to flip the keyboard and remove all the screws from the back. Carefully open the case in order to access the PCB. Now, if hot swappable, you can use a switch puller in order to remove the switches directly. If soldered, you can use a soldering iron in order to melt the solder, in order to use a pump or wick to remove it and then push the switch out. Also insert the new switch into the slot. If soldered, solder the pins securely back into the place and make sure the alignment is correct. Afterwards, simply close the keyboard, screw it back together and reinsert the keycaps. Now plug it into your PC and test all the keys. So that's how you can replace the switches on your HyperX keyboard safely. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.